Assalamu alaikum. Hi children. Welcome back to the maths class. Did you understand previous activities? Okay. Let's start today's section. Today's first activity. How many members? The farm club members were divided into 8 groups. In each group there are 3 students from class 4 and 4 students from class 5. How many members are there in the club? Listen here. How many groups are there in all? Yes, 8 groups. So, number of groups equal 8. How many students are there in each group from class 4? Yes, 3 students. So, number of students in one group from class 4 equal 3. Then, how many students are there in the club from class 4? Listen here. There are 8 groups with 3 students. So, number of students from class 4 8 times 3, that is 8 into 3 equal 24. How many students are there in each group from class 5? Yes, 4 students. So, number of students in one group from class 5 equal 4. Then how many students are there in the club from class 5? See, there are 8 groups with 4 students. So, number of students from class 5 8 times 4, that is 8 into 4 equal 32. So children, how many members are there in the club? Yes, to find the total numbers, add number of students from class 4 and number of students from class 5. That is, total number of students in the club 32 plus 24 equal 56. Next activity. How many seeds? The farm club got bitter gourd seeds from the Krishi Bhavan. Sana and Lada looked at the packets they got. Sana says, I have 12 packets. Lada says, I have 16 packets. There are 4 seeds in each packet. How many seeds does each girl have? How do we find it out? See children, Sana has 12 packets. In each packet there are 4 seeds. To find out total number of seeds Sana got, we have to multiply 4 by 12. That is 12 into 4. First multiply 4 with ones place. That is 4 into 2 equal 8. So, write 8 in the ones place. Again multiply 4 with tens place. That is 4 into 1. Yes, 4. Then write 4 in the tens place. So, children, Sana got 48 seeds. How many seeds does Lada have? Children, you know, Lada has 16 packets. In each packet there are 4 seeds. So, to find total number of seeds Lada got, we have to multiply 4 by 16. That is 16 into 4. First multiply 4 with the ones place. That is 4 into 6. 24. Write 4 in the ones place and put the remaining 2 above the tens place. Then again multiply 4 with tens place. 4 into 1, 4. Then add 4 with this 2. That is 4 plus 2, 6. Then write 6 in the tens place. So, number of seeds Lada got 64. Okay children, listen to the next question. The farm club bought 6 notebooks at 13 rupees each. How much money did they spend for this? See children, what is the price of one notebook? Yes, 13 rupees. So, price of one notebook equal 13 rupees. Okay, how many notebook farm club bought? Yes, 6 notebooks. So, we have to find out the price of 6 notebooks. You know, price of one notebook 13 rupees. So, price of 6 notebooks equal 6 times 13. That is 13 into 6. First multiply 6 with ones place. That is 6 into 3, 18. Write 8 in the ones place and put the remaining 1 above the tens place. Then again multiply 6 with the tens place. That is 6 into 1. Yes, 6. Then add 6 with this 1. That is 6 plus 1, 7. Then write 7 in the tens place. So, price of 6 notebooks equal 78 rupees. See, another method to calculate 13 into 6. First split the number 13 into tens and ones. Children, you know in 13 there is 1 10 and 3 ones. So, we can write 13 has 10 plus 3. That is 13 into 6 equal 10 plus 3 into 6. First multiply 10 by 6 and then multiply 3 by 6. Then add these two products together. That is 10 into 6 plus 3 into 6. 10 into 6 equals 60 plus 3 into 6, 80. 16 plus 18, yes, 78. Okay, next, you should do this exercise in your notebook. Next activity, planting seeds. There are 14 packets of pumpkin seeds, each containing 12 seeds. What is the total number of seeds? Okay children, how do we find out? Say children, how many packets are there? Yes, 14 packets. So, number of packets equal 40. Children, you know each packet containing 12 seeds. So, number of seeds in one packet equal 12. We have to find out number of seeds in 14 packets. You know there are 12 seeds in one packet. So, find the number of seeds in 14 packets multiplying 12 by 14. Number of seeds in 14 packets equal 14 into 12. First multiply 2 with ones place. That is 2 into 4. Yes, 8. So write 8 in the ones place. Then multiply 2 with the tens place. That is 2 into 1. 2. Then write 2 in the tens place. In the second step, we have to multiply 1 by 4. Before starting to do this, leave ones place empty and put 0 in the ones place because we are doing the multiplication of tens place. Then 1 into 4, 4. Write 4 in the tens place. Then multiply 1 by 1. 1 into 1, 1. Write 1 here. Then add these two products together. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. Then write the remaining one here. That is 14 into 12 is 168. So, number of seeds in 14 packets equal 168. See another method to calculate 14 into 12. First, split these numbers into tens and ones. We can write 14 has 10 plus 4 into 12 has 10 plus 2. First multiply 10 by 10, that is 10 into 10. Then multiply 10 by 2, that is 10 into 2. Then multiply 4 by 10, that is 4 into 10. Then multiply 4 by 2, that is 4 into 2. 10 into 10, 100 plus 10 into 2, 20 plus 4 into 10, 40 plus 4 into 2, 8. Then add these product together. 100 plus 20 plus 40 plus 8 equal 168. Okay children, listen to this question. What is the difference between the products 16 into 12 and 13 into 14? First we have to calculate 16 into 12. First multiply 2 with the ones place, that 2 into 6, yes 12. Write 2 in the ones place and put the remaining 1 above the tens place. Then again multiply 2 with the tens place, that is 2 into 1, 2. Then add 2 with this 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Write 3 in the tens place. The next step, we have to multiply 1 by. Before starting to do this, leave ones place empty and put 0 in the ones place, because we are doing the multiplication of tens place. 1 into 6, 6. Write 6 in the tens place. Then multiply 1 by 1, that is 1 into 1 equal 1. Write 1 here. Then add these two products together. 2 plus 0, 2. 3 plus 6, 9. Then write the remaining one here. So 16 into 12 equal 192. Next we have to calculate 13 into 14. First multiply 3 by 4. 3 into 4 equal 12. Write 2 in the ones place and write the remaining 1 above the tens place. Then multiply 4 by 1, that is 4 into 1, 4. Then add 4 with this 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 in the tens place. Then multiply 1 by 3 before doing this, put a 0 in the ones place. Then 1 into 3 equal 3. Write 3 in the tens place. Then multiply 1 by 1. 1 into 1, 1. Write 1 here. Then add 2 these products together. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 3, 8. Then write the remaining 1 here. That is 13 into 4, 182. What is the difference between these two products? Difference means subtract each other. That is 192 minus 182. Yes, very good. 10. So, difference between 192 and 182, 10. Children, listen here. Let's learn how to multiply by 0. When multiply a number by 0, we get 0 itself. Example, 7 into 0 equal 0. 12 into 0 equal 0. 25 into 0 equal 0. 150 into 0 equal 0. Next, multiplication by 1. When multiply a number by 1, we get the same number. Example, 6 into 1 equals 6. 35 into 1 equal 35. 46 into 1 equal 46. 245 into 1 equal 245. Next, let's learn multiplication by 10. When multiply a number by 10, put a 0 to right of the given number. Example, 9 into 10, 90. That is, write 1 0 to the right of the given number 9. Next, 15 into 10, 150. Here, write 1 0 to the right of the given number 15. By the same logic, 23 into 10, 230. 98 into 10, 980. Okay children, you should do this exercise in your notebook. Okay, thank you.